Namaste. Sometimes the photo frame that you have, whether it is of any god or goddess, it becomes old. So, how to dispose it? What is the proper way of disposing it? Is what I have explained in this podcast. So, let's begin with this podcast. No matter your faith, whether Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Buddhist, or Sikh, there comes a time when you may feel the need to retire an old cherished photo frame of a deity, guru, or any divine figure. Perhaps the colors have faded, or you wish to replace it with a larger, more vibrant image. The important question then arises: how do I respectfully dispose of these sacred items according to scriptural guidelines? In today's podcast, we'll explore the traditional procedures that honor the divine while gently bidding farewell to these cherished images. There are two distinct methods for disposal, each corresponding to the type of frame you have. Let's dive into the process for each. For a glass frame photo, if your sacred image is encased in a glass frame, then you should follow simple steps that I'll explain one by one. First, perform the Arti. Begin with a heartfelt Arti before the glass frame. Offer sweets as a token of gratitude. Light a lamp with cow's ghee and let it burn for an hour. Enhance the sacred atmosphere by burning an incense stick alongside the frame. The second step, sit in quiet reflection and chant the mantras or prayers dedicated to the deity featured in the photo for about 10 minutes. Allow the vibration of your prayers to fill the space with devotion. Step 3. Bow before the frame and sincerely express your gratitude. Invite your family members to join you in a collective prayer for another 10 minutes, reinforcing the communal spirit of devotion. The fourth step, take the glass frame to a trusted shop where it can be carefully opened, allowing the printed photo to be removed. Once detached, immerse the paper photo in a clean flowing river or the vast ocean, a symbolic return of the sacred image back to nature. And now the last fifth step. The empty glass frame can then be repurposed. You might choose to donate it or place a fresh new photo, whether of the same deity or another divine figure, back in its rightful place of honor. Now, let's come to the second type of photo that you may have. If you have a laminated wooden photo, then the process is slightly different. So let me explain you step by step. First, just as with the glass frame, perform a Arti before the laminated photo. Offer sweets, light a lamp with cow's ghee and burn incense stick, letting the ritual cleanse the space for an hour. Next step, sit quietly and recite the specific mantras or prayers associated with the divine figure depicted in the laminated photo. Let your voice be a heartfelt offering to the divine. Step 3. Bow and give thanks. Bow before the photo, expressing sincere gratitude. Invite all family members to join in a 10-minute session of collective prayer, uniting in respect and devotion. And then the last fourth step, return the image to nature. Finally, take the old laminated photo to a river and gently immerse it in the flowing water. This act serves as a respectful gesture of returning the sacred image to the natural world. And so, by following these time honored practices, you not only dispose of the old images in a way that aligns with ancient scriptures, but you also reaffirm your sacred connection with the divine. These rituals offer a dignified and heartfelt way to honor the spiritual energy embodied in the images, even as you prepare to welcome a new expression of your devotion. Embrace these rituals as a celebration of your ongoing journey of faith, where every act, old or new, is imbued with reverence and respect. Enough for now. Jai Sri Ganesha, Jai Guru. ॐ गं गणपतये नमः। ॐ गं गणपतये नमः। ॐ गं गणपतये नमः।